Hi students, how are you all? Hope you are all fine at home. So welcome to class 10th Max online class Coordinate Geometry session 6. In this session, we will learn area of triangle. So do you know what is the formula for area of triangle? You learned in earlier class area of triangle is half base into height. But here, different. So coming to area of triangle. Area of triangle. So look at the figure. So what is the given figure? A, B, C. A, B, C are 3 points or 3 edges of a triangle. Here A coordinates x1, x1 comma y1, B x2 comma y2, and C x3 comma y3. So find area of triangle. So how to find area of triangle? First one should draw perpendiculars. This is B. Draw BQ and AP and CR. Very clear? Coming to point. Let ABC be any triangle whose vertices are A x1 comma y1, B x2 comma y2, and C x3 comma y3. Here A, B, C are vertices of a triangle. Draw AB, BQ and CR perpendiculars from A, B and C respectively to the x-axis. It means draw perpendiculars BQ, AB and CR to x-axis. Next one, here AB, QP. A, B, QP. ABQP is a quadrilateral and APRC. APRC another quadrilateral, and third one BQRC. BQRC. This is also one of the quadrilateral, but these three are trapeziums. These three are trapezium because BQ parallel to AP, BQ parallel to AP. So trapezium means in a quadrilateral, one pair of opposite sides are parallel. The quadrilateral must be trapezium. So BQPA or ABQP is a trapezium. APRC is a trapezium. BQRC is also trapezium. Very clear? Next point, area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle is what the main concept? Find the area of triangle ABC. This is the shaded part, shade region. Area of triangle ABC. So how to find the area of triangle ABC? Here area of triangle ABC is written as this main part. So should focus on these 4 figures. Area of triangle ABC and trapeziums BQPA and APRC and BQRC. So focus on these figures. So area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC is written as area of trapezium. Area of trapezium ABQP. ABQP. So first part ABQP, area of trapezium ABQP plus area of trapezium APRC. APRC. Now totally ABQRC. ABQRC minus area of trapezium BQRC. BQRC. Now we get area of triangle. So area of triangle is written as area of triangle ABC is equals to area of trapezium ABQP plus area of trapezium APRC minus area of trapezium BQRC. BQRC. Very clear? Here this is x coordinate and x coordinate and y coordinate intersection point origin. O. Here OQ represents x2 distance, x2 units, and OP represents x1 units, and OR represents x3 units. At the same time, this one QB or BQ represents y2 units, and PA represents y1 units, and RC represents y3 units. Distances x coordinate and y coordinate. Are clear? Coming to next. Area of trapezium. Area of trapezium. Formula for area of trapezium: half into sum of the parallel sides into distance between them. So half into a plus b into h. Half into a plus b into h. Here a plus b represents sum of parallel sides. A plus b. Distance between two parallel sides, h. So look at the figure. What is the first trapezium? Here, now area of triangle ABC is written as trapezium. First trapezium. Area of first trapezium, half into BQ, first parallel side BQ plus AP, and distance or height QP. So area of trapezium ABQP is written as half BQ plus AP into QP. QP represents distance between parallel sides, plus second trapezium. So what is second trapezium? APRC. So write down the area of trapezium APRC. What are the parallel sides? Here AP and CR are parallel sides. Distance or H equals to PR. So write down the area. Half into parallel sides AP plus CR into PR. PR represents distance, minus last trapezium, third trapezium BQRC. So what are the parallel sides? Here BQ and CR are parallel sides. Distance is QR. So write down the trapezium area. Half into parallel sides BQ plus CR into height QR. Now write down the coordinates. Here BQ represents y2 and OQ represents x2. Similarly, OP and PA and OR and RC also. So write down the coordinates. The next step, from the figure, BQ is equals to y2 units. AP is equals to y1 unit. Now QP is written as already OQ represents x2 units, OP represents x1 units. Now QP is written as OP minus OQ. So write down this step. QP is equals to OP minus OQ. So what is the value of OP? OP is equal to x1 and OQ is equals to x2. This is written as x1 minus x2. So what is the value of QP? QP is equals to x1 minus x2. That is the distance between two parallel sides. And the next step, CR. Here CR is equals to y3 units. And PR is written as OR minus OP. Here what is the value of OR? OR equal to x3 units and OP is equals to x1 units. So coming to point, PR is written as PR is equals to OR minus OP. Now what is the value of OR? OR equal to x3, OP equals to x1, x3 minus x1. Next one QR. Next one QR. Last trapezium QR. So QR is written as OR minus OQ. OR minus OQ. So what is the value of OR? OR equal to x3 and OQ is equals to x2. This is written as x3 minus x2. QR is equals to OR minus OQ. OR minus OQ equals to x3 minus x2. x3 minus x2. Therefore, area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle ABC equals to half into BQ plus AP into QP. Means first trapezium plus second trapezium, half into AP plus ER into PR, this second trapezium, minus half into BQ plus CR into QR. This is the third trapezium. So substitute values in the given equation. So half into what the value of BQ plus AP? BQ means Y2 plus AP means Y1 into, so QP is equals to x1 minus x2 minus x2 plus half into AP is equals to y1 plus CR equals to y3 into PR value x3 minus x1 minus half into BQ means y2 plus CR means y3 into QR written as x3 minus x2. So after simplification means here 1 by 2 is common, right? 1 by 2 and y2 plus y1 into x1 minus x2, y1 plus y3 into x3 minus x1 minus y2 plus y3 into x3 minus x1. After simplification we get one formula, half here absolute value. Reason, this is area of triangle. So area of triangle is always positive. That's why keep modulus symbol or absolute value symbol. Half into x1 into y2 minus y3. x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1. y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is the formula of area of triangle given three widths: A x1 y1, B x2 y2, and C x3 y3. So what is the formula for area of a triangle? I've given three widths: half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Or simply says a simple trick, right? First half, after that write x into y minus y plus x into y minus y plus x into y minus y. So after that write numbers, first 1, next 2, next 3. Already 1 hour. Now cyclic. Next start with 2, 3 and 1. After that 2 hour, 2 after 3, 3 1 2. That is a simple trick. Are you clear? So area of triangle is half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Again arrow method or simple method. This is the arrow method. It is to obtain the formula for area of the triangle. So write down half first. After that keep modulus symbols. This is A column, B column and C column. In the A column write all x1, x2, x3. x1, x2, x3. After that y1, y2, y3. And last one only 1. First one x1 into. So close complete column. First x1. So first complete column and second first row. x1, take x1, after that x1 row. What are the remaining values? y2 y2 into 1 cross multiplication, y2 into 1 y2 minus y3 into 1 y3. So x1 into y2 minus y3. After that, second one, second row, first part, first value, second row first value x2, right? x2. Next one, so remove complete second row and first column, first row and second row and first column. What are the remaining values? y3 and y1. So y3 into 1 y3 and y1 into 1 y1. This is written as x2 into y3 minus y1, y3 minus y1. Finally, x3 coordinate, x3 value. So remove complete x3 column and last third row, x3 row. What are the remaining values? y1 minus y2, y1 minus y2. So coming to first, take x1 first, x1, and remove first column and first row. What are the remaining values? y2, y3, 1, 1. So take cross multiplication. y2 minus y3, y2 minus y3. Next write x2, and after that remove second row and first column. What are the remaining values? y1 1, y3 1. This is written as y3 minus y1, y3 minus y1, and last one write x3 and remove first column, x3 column, and x3 row. What are the remaining values? y1 1, y2 1. This is written as y1 into 1 y1 minus y2 into 1 y2. So this is also written as half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So this is also area of triangle. Same formula but arrow method. So let us see condition for arrow method. Note, if the points A, B and C we take in the anti-clockwise direction, then the area will be positive. If the points we take in clockwise direction, the area will be negative. So we always take the absolute value of the area calculated. So area of triangle equals to half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Very clear? So area of triangle equals to half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Next one, if the area of a triangle is 0, area of triangle equals to 0, means half mod value is equal to 0, then the 3 points are collinear. Collinear means 3 or more points belong to the same line. 3 or more points is on the same line. That is called collinear. Are you clear? Area of triangle is equals to 0 means all 3 points are collinear, means lies on the same line. Coming to next, let us see one more question. Question number 1. This is based on area of triangle. Find the area of triangle whose widths are 2, 3, minus 1, 0 and 2, minus 4. So what are the given widths? 2, 3, minus 1, 0 and 2, minus 4. 2, minus 4. Right? Solution. Let given widths of a triangle. Given widths of a triangle A 2, 3, B minus 1, 0 and C 2, minus 4. C 2, minus 4. So using the formula for area of triangle, we know that area of triangle is half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So write in the formula, x1 half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is the first equation. So write down the given vertices of that right coordinates. Here x1 equals to 2, x1 equals to 2, x2 is equals to -1, x3 is equals to 2. Similarly, y1 is equals to 3, y2 is equals to 0, and y3 is equals to -4. So these coordinates substitute are replaced in the given area of triangle formula. So by substituting the values of vertices A, B, C in the equation 1, half into, so area of triangle formula half into x1 into, what is the value of x1? 2. x1 means 2 into y2 minus y3, y2 minus y3. So y2 minus y3 means 0 minus of -4, 0 minus of -4 plus x2 into y3 minus y1, x2 into y3 minus y1. So x3, x2, what the value of x2? -1, right? -1 into y3 minus y1, y3 minus y1, y3 means -4, y1 means 3. So -4 minus 3 plus x3 into, what the value of x3? x3 equals to 2, 2 into y1 minus y2, y1 minus y2. So what is the value of y1? 3 and y2 0, 3 minus 0. That's the first step. So next step, half into 2 into 0, minus into minus plus. So 0 plus 4 we get plus 4, 2 plus 2 into 4 plus -4 minus 3 -7, -1 into -7 we get +7, +7 plus 2 into 3 minus 0, 3. So 2 into 3. So write down the next step. Half into 2 into 0 minus into minus plus 0 plus 4, 4. Right? 4 plus -1 into -4 minus 3. We get -7. -7 into -1. -1 into -7 or -7 into -1 you get +7 plus 2 into 3 minus 0, 3. What is the next step? 2 into 4, 8 plus -1 into -7 plus 7 plus 2 into 3, 6. So half into 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 6, 21. So half into 21. Half into 21. This is written as 20. Half in 21 means 1 in 21, 21. 21 by 2. 21 by 2. So 21 by 2 means 10.5. 10.5. So what is the area of triangle? 21 by 2 or 10.5. Area of triangle ABC is equals to 21 by 2 or 10.5 square units. Are you clear? So let us see one more question. Question number 2. Find the area of triangle. Find the area of triangle whose vertices are -5 comma -1, 3 comma -5 and 5 comma -2, 5 comma -2. So these three are given vertices. Let A -5 -1, B 3 comma 5 -5 and C 5 comma 2, and compare x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3 also. So coming to solution, let given vertices of a triangle A -5 comma -1, B 3 comma -5 and C 5 comma 2. So using the area of triangle formula, do you know what the formula for area of triangle? Half mod form. Half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So what are the given points? A -5 comma -1, B 3 comma -5 and C 5 comma 2. Here x1 is equals to -5, x1 equals to -5, x2 is equals to 3 and x3 is equals to 5. Similarly, y1 is equals to -1, y2 is equals to -5 and y3 is equals to 2. By substituting the values of vertices A, B, C in the given equation. So replace the values of x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 in the given area of triangle formula. So half into x1 into x1 means minus 5 into y2 minus y3, y2 minus y3, y2 means minus 5 minus y3 means 2, minus 5 minus 2 plus x2 into, so what the value of x2? x2 equals to 3, x2 into 3 into y3 minus y1, y3 minus y1. So what is the value of y3? 2, y3 minus y1, y1 value minus 1, 2 minus of minus 1, 2 minus of minus 1, y3 minus y1 means 2 minus of minus 1 plus x3 value, x3 is equals to 5, right? x3 means 5, 5 into y1 minus y2, y1 minus y2, y1 means minus 1, y1 means minus 1 and y2 means minus 5, means minus 1 minus of minus 5, minus 1 minus of minus 5. So next step, half into minus 5 into minus 5 minus 2, we get minus 7 plus 3 into 2 into minus plus 2 plus 1, 3. So 3 into 3 plus 5 into minus 1 into minus plus 1 minus 1 plus 5. Means minus 1 plus 5 you get 4. 5 minus 1, 4. That is the next step. Half into minus 5 into minus 5 minus 2 we get minus 7 plus 3 into 2 minus of minus plus 2 plus 1 we get 3 plus 5 into minus 1 into minus plus 5, minus 1 plus 5. Now next step, half into minus into minus plus 5 into 7, 35 plus 3 into 3, 9 plus 5 minus 1, 4. 5 minus 1, 4. Right? 4, 5 into 4. Now half into 35 plus 9, 5 into 4, 20. So 35 plus 9 plus 20. We get 64. Half into 64. Half into 64. So half into 64 written as 64 by 2. 64 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 32 sir. So what is the area of triangle? 32 square units. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is equals to 32 square units. Are you clear? So let us see one more question. Find the value of K. Find the value of K for which the points are collinear. So this is also area of triangle formula, but condition is collinear. Condition is collinear. Collinear means area of triangle is equals to 0. Area of triangle equals to 0. Then find value of K. Find the value of K for which the points are collinear 7, minus 2, 5, 1 and 3, K. So these three are given wedges. So that given points are collinear, at the same time find value of K. Solution. Let the given points are A 7, minus 2, B 5, 1 and C 3, K. 3, K. Here x1 is equals to 7, x1 equals to 7, x2 is equals to 5, x3 is equals to 3. The same time y1 is equals to minus 2, y2 is equals to 1 and y3 is equals to K. So what is given condition? Widths are collinear. We know that area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC is equals to half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is the formula for area triangle. But given condition is collinear, means area of triangle is equals to 0. Here substitute the values. Half into x1 means 7 into y2 minus y3, so y2 minus y3 means y2 value 1 and y3 value k, 1 minus k plus x2 into, what is the value of x2? 5 into y3 minus y1, what is the value of y3? k and y1 value minus 2. So k minus of minus 2, k minus of minus 2 plus x3 into what the value of x3? 3. 3 into y1 minus y2, y1 minus y2, y1 value minus 2 and y2 value 1. So minus 2 minus 1. This is written as half into 7 into 1 minus k plus 5 into k minus of minus 2 plus 3 into minus 2 minus 1 is equals to 0, because given points are collinear. Given points are collinear means area of triangle equals to 0. A simplification, half into 7 into 1 minus k plus 5 into k minus into minus plus, this is written as k plus 2 plus 3 into minus 2 minus 1. Minus 2 minus 1 we get minus 3, right? Minus 3 is equals to 0. Now next step, half into 7 into 1 7, 7 into k 7k plus 5 into k 5k, 5 into 2 10 plus into minus minus 3 into 3 9 is equals to 0. So half into 7 minus 7k plus 5k plus 10 minus 9 is equals to 0. Here 7, 10, these two are positive. 7 plus 10, 17. 17 minus 9. 17 minus 9. After that, minus 7k plus 5k. Minus 7k plus 5k. So let's simplify. Half into 8 minus 2k. 8 minus 2k is equals to 0. So half into 8 minus 2k equal 0 means 1 into 8 minus 2k, 8 minus 2k by 2. 8 minus 2k by 2 equal to 0. 2 into 0, 0. That is written as 8 minus 2k is equals to 2 into 0, 0. 8 minus 2k equal to 0, then 8 is equal to 2. 8 is equals to 2k. Then k is equals to 8 by 2. K is equals to 8 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 4s are. Therefore, k value 4. K value 4. So, hence the given point of collinear for k is equals to 4. So, given points are collinear. Then what the value of k? K is equals to 4. If k equal to 4, given value, given coordinates are collinear points. Clear? So, let us see one more question. Find the value of k. Find the value of k for which the points are collinear. For which the points are collinear 8 comma 1 comma k comma minus 4 and 2 comma minus 5. So these three are given points. If these three are collinear, find value of k. If these three are collinear, find value of k, possible value of k. So coming to solution. So what are the given points? A 8 comma 1, B k comma minus 4 and C 2 comma minus 5. 2 comma minus 5. So we know that area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC. So what is the area of triangle ABC? Half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. y1 minus y2. So write down the coordinates. So given points are A 8 comma 1, B k comma minus 4 and C 2 comma minus 5. So write down the coordinates. x1 is equals to 8, x2 is equals to k and x3 is equals to 2. At the same time, y1 is equals to 1, y2 is equals to minus 4 and y3 is equals to minus 5. Substitute these coordinates in the given area of triangle formula. So half mod x1 into y2 minus y3, x1 into y2 minus y3. So what is the value of x1? x1 is 8, at 8. y2 minus y3, so 8 into y2 minus y3. y2 value minus 4 and y3 value minus 5. This is written as minus 4 minus of minus 5 plus 5. So minus 4 plus 5 minus 4 plus 5 plus x2. What is the value of x2? x2 is equal to k into y3 minus y1, y3 minus y1. So what is the value of y3? Minus 5, and y1 1 is here written as minus 5 minus 1, minus 5 minus 1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2, y1 minus y2. So what is the value of x3? 2 into y1 minus y2. y1 means 1, y2 means minus 4. 1 minus of minus 4 plus 4. Are you clear? y1 minus y2. y1 is equals to 1 and y2 equals to minus 4. 1 minus of minus plus 4 is equals to 0. So therefore given points are collinear. That's why kept 0. Next simplification. Half into 8 into minus 4 plus 5. So these two are having different symbols. Subtraction is possible. 5 minus 4 we get 1. 8 into 1 plus minus 5 minus 1 we get minus 6. K into minus 6 plus 2 into 1 plus 4 5. So write down the next step. Half into 5 minus 4 1. 8 into 1 8 into 1 plus k into minus 5 minus 1 we get minus 6. K into minus 6 plus 2 into 1 plus 4 we get 5. 2 into 5. Next step. Half into 8 into 1 8 plus k into minus 6 minus 6k. K into minus 6 plus k and minus 6. So plus into minus minus. K into 6 6 plus 2 into 5 10 is equals to 0. Half into 8 minus 6k plus 10 equal to 0. Here 8 and 10 are numerical values. Minus 6k is a literal value. And 8 plus 10. 8 plus 10. 18. 18 minus 6k. 18 minus 6k. This is written as half into 18 minus 6k equal to 0. So 8 minus 6k plus 10 equal 0. 8 plus 10. 8 plus 10. 18. 18 minus 6k equals to 0. 18 minus 6k equals to 0. 18 equals to 6k. 18 equals to 6k. Now k is equals to 18 by 6. K equals to 18 by 6. So 6 ones are 6, 3s are. What is the value of k? What is the value of k? Therefore k equals to 3. 6 ones are 6, 3s are. Then given points are collinear for value of k is equals to 3. If k equal to 3, then given value points are collinear. So in this session we will learn area of triangle. So what is the formula for area of triangle? Half mod into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So given points are given vertices are collinear, then the area of triangle equals to 0. Area of triangle equals to 0. Okay students, in the next session we will discuss about based on area of triangle and midpoints and distance formula also. Thank you.